guys, so we just finished flying. We're now in Thailand. So we're staying at my dad's brother's friend's house, and well, it's his sister's house. So it's kind of a long line, but so it's a really nice house. It was really beautiful. We watched the sunset this morning, and it was so pretty. It was beautiful. And so we've just finished having a really good breakfast. And so now we're gonna head off to a temple. We're gonna climb some steps up to a temple similar to the one we went to. So yeah, see ya.
Hey you, I think you should know. Hey you, I'm feeling it so. Hey you, now where do you go? Hey you should let it flow. I do think you care. Do you hear my prayer? Hey you, I'm with you. I see you, I hear you. Hey you, I'm with you. I miss you, I miss you. Hey you, see I told you so. Hey you, I'm ready to go.
Hey guys, so right now we just finished going to the temple. So it was kind of a Buddhist temple, and it had a bunch of, it had to do with like monks and a lot of cool statues and stuff. And there's also, now we're going into a cave, and it's kind of also a religious Buddha cave. So yeah.
Hey you, I'm with you. I miss you. In the sun.
Hey guys, so right now we just went to those two. We went to the cave and the temple, and right now we are just leaving from the hot springs. So it's kind of like there's different like smaller tubs right next to a river. So if you get too hot, you can also go into the river. And so it was really refreshing. And we got a spa, like we got a massage, so that was really nice. Yeah, a Thai massage. So it's been a really nice day so far, and we're just headed home. So yeah.
You know, please come with me. You can open the door. Now we are free. I'm ready for more. Hey you, I'm with you. I feel you. I need you.
Hey guys, so right now we're in Thailand, and we're at this little, like a farm, and it's kind of like a farm where you build these houses. It's got a bunch of, it's like an organic farm, and so it has a bunch of these houses that are made of like, they have, the first layer is like, just, they make mud bricks, and so they're like really hard muddy bricks, and then they have like this sort of clay, the first layer of clay with like corn husks in it, and then they have the second final layer of clay that is like this fine like watery powder kind of mud. So yeah, it was like a really smooth flight here and everything, so it's really beautiful. Unfortunately, it's really smoky, and so, but that makes the sunsets really pretty. So yeah, see you guys.
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Hey guys, this is Iris. So right now we're in central Chiang Mai, which is kind of like they call it the CBD, which is Central Business District. So we just left Pun Pun, the organic farm. So it was just maybe like an hour and a half drive here. So yeah, it's pretty hot outside, but we're just going to go ahead to get some lunch. So yeah. Hey guys, this is Iris. So right now we are on a train and we're headed to Bangkok from Chiang Mai. And so it's a pretty fast train. It goes up to like 125 kilometers per hour. So pretty fast. Here's outside the window. It's just speeding up right now, but overall it's a pretty nice train. So there's no food cart or anything, so we kind of have to stock up on food